Hello everyone, my name's hippyswift and this is just a quick video on a new little gadget I got. There's a light at the back, but this is a battery pack to recharge your phone and a solar panel. I've had it for the best part of, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 weeks nearly. It's done me well for a few days, but this is just a quick little overlook today of this. It's by a company called YELOMIN, YELOMIN. Simple as that. Yeah, nice little thing, bit heavy, milliamp hours on it, 25,000 milliamp hours, 25 amp hours. It'll charge your phone about 10-13 times, something like that, depending what battery you have on what phone. This is going to be put to the thorough test over the next few weeks, or months rather, before my proper review on it. But if you are interested in the details, I can't remember the spec off the top of my head, I've just got to go by what's on the back at the moment. But go check out my Amazon links in the description box below. That will tell you everything about it, and yeah, how much it costs and stuff. They sent me this free of charge for review. This isn't the review, I haven't really used it that much yet, but it has done the job over the last few days when I've been out camping or anything, and water hasn't bothered it that much, although I wouldn't really call it waterproof as such. But yeah, USB ports at the back, big solar panels. It's kind of fiddly getting this waterproof case off. But yeah, 1, 2 USB ports and a micro USB for charging up the battery bank if you find somewhere to do that. The solar panels themselves, they're actually quite heavy duty, I suppose. They actually feel like a big sheet of aluminium or something, quite tough. I wouldn't say they're brittle, but I would say they would bend. If you're going to be bungee tying them on or anything like that, I would suggest just to chill out a bit on how much pressure you apply. This is a really low profile on it, so you can just stick it in the back of your rucksack or anything. On the rear of this, the only thing I don't like is it's got a little snap, you know, like a little button snap. I don't like that feature, but what I do like is an emergency light here. It's not the brightest thing in the world, but you can of course see what you're doing if you cut yourself or someone's had an accident, an emergency, anything like that. So yeah, only a quick review today, guys and girls. Oh, out in the woods.